Good evening, everyone. I welcome you on our very special episode of Behas Brad Behas, where we have invited Mr. Donald J. Trump for the last interview before going into the elections. I thank you very much, President Donald J. Trump, for giving us time. This is the first time in the history of Pakistan that a local internet, non famous news channel is taking your interview. Thank you very much. So, Mr. Donald Trump, how is your campaign going right now?
Yeah, thanks for having me. Wait, why should I thank you? You should thank me because I'm the president.
No,
Yeah, my election
thank
campaign
you.
is the best campaign in the world. We're so much prepared that we're almost there to set up a brand new team in the White House with the same old faces.
But how are you setting up the team? You have not won the election so far because still there's one
Wait,
week to
look,
go and the voting
look,
is in
look,
process.
look, look, look. It's so simple. It's so simple. If I
Uh-huh.
win, I win, and if I lose, which I'm not gonna lose because I'm the best, haha. So I'm not gonna leave White House and give away all the powers. It's as simple as that.
That is against the Constitution of the United States. How can you do that? Why will not you
Look,
transfer the powers?
I don't want you to teach me the Constitution of the United Nations.
Yeah.
You're fake news. You're fake news, and I'm gonna bomb the shit out of you.
But how can you do that? How can you bomb the shit out of us? That is very insane of you.
Look. What is insane? I am the most insane. Actually, I'm the sanest person in the living world. I am the sanest of the sanest. So
Okay, okay, okay,
I'm
okay.
the
I got you.
sanest. Yeah.
Okay, I got you. You are in and sane. I have to move the
Yeah,
show
I'm
right.
so I'm so sane that even the word in this insane word becomes irrelevant. That's how
Okay.
sane I am.
Okay, I have to take the show forward. So my first question to you, that actual first question is you, that what would be your first step if we are given you this presidency again?
Yeah, it's so simple. I'm gonna bomb the shit out of Middle East.
Or why you are going to bomb the Middle East? Again, that's a very insane statement. And which country you are targeting right now?
Yeah, well, I'll bomb Australia the first.
Australia? But why Australia? It's one of your biggest ally. And secondly, it does not belongs to Middle East as well.
Where I don't care where does it belong to. All I know that Australia starts with capital A, and the second thing which I know that we've got the best bombs in the world. We've got the mother of all the bombs. We've got father of all the bombs. We've got grandfather of all the bombs, if you like. And our bombs are so strong. Even if I were to bomb Arnold Schwarzenegger, the strongest man in the universe, he will be completely destroyed. And even if he wants to come back with his robotic black skeleton and stuff, I will bomb him again.
I don't see, but this answer does not making any sense. Are you talking about the movie Terminator with your this black skeleton word?
Look, Terminator, I don't care if he comes back with his black skeleton. We're gonna bomb the shit out of him, and that's how we're gonna bring back all of those Chinese jobs back to the United States, and make America white again, even whiter than I am. And by the way, this is my Halloween look. Don't just get confused with it.
That's a pretty racist statement. I hope you understand it, and it's quite insane again that you are saying that word.
Wait, I've told you that I am the most sanest person alive in the world. I'm so sane that even my negative corona report becomes positive, and the report says that it was so positive that it was even more positive, much better than the Chinese patient zero.
But that's pretty strange that you are saying that you are more positive than Chinese patient zero. Anyways, I would like to say that even you were positive, you went to the White House, and that was a pretty foolish thing to do, I think. And again, if you are to be president again, then how you going to deal with this corona?
Stop saying if before I punch your face. You're fake news. You're fake news, and I'm gonna, and all the world knows, and I'm gonna bomb you. And just remember one thing: there's no such thing as Corona. There's only Corolla, and made by Toyota, and we're gonna bomb those Japanese guys for making all of those XLIs and GLIs, and that's how we're gonna bring all the Chinese jobs back to the Canadians, to foster world peace and to in order to harvest all of those corn crops and you know stabilize that stupid ozone layer that everyone
Well,
likes talking so
I
much
think,
about that.
yeah, Mr. President, your answers are not making any sense, and I wish you luck in your upcoming elections. We will have to. I have to cut this show down because our audience are quite
You don't
mature.
make any sense. You're gonna regret that. You're gonna regret that. You're
Okay, Mr.
fake
President,
news.
thank you for your time. Thank you very much for this short meeting. Take care. Goodbye.
Yeah, you should be thankful to me.
Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.